Here I created Telegram chatbot using Genius API and Firebase database. Firstly, I installed here 3 packages: Firebase admin package, and I imported Axios module. After that, I installed Node Telegram bot API, and this is the key for Genius API, and this is the URL. After that, we have to place our JSON format of the Firebase database. For that one, we have to create a key in the Firebase database, and that file will be stored in JSON format. And I renamed it as key, and this is the JSON format of the key. After that, I wrote get Firestore. This helps us to make interaction with the Firestore, and after that we have to keep our Telegram token here. This is my Telegram token, and I created new instance for Telegram token. Here polling true means it continuously listens the new messages. After that, I created some variables like chart ID, text string, new messages. And if we give the data starting with insert, and the data need to be added to the collection. Here provided data is the name of my collection, and it has to be stored successfully. If not, it will give the message as please provide both key and data value for insertion. And if you want to retrieve the data, if we give get as a starting word, it has to be give us the data. If there is no data available, then it shows message as there is no data available for the given key. And this is my API URL and API key. Here search query means the request we are giving. Based on our request, it will give news articles about our request. It contains details like title, published, description, source, URL and image. If there is no article found, then it gives message as no article found. Then we have to run this file. For that purpose, we have to go for the same location of the file and type cmd. Then my command prompt was opened. After that, we have to enter node space filename.js. Then we have to go for Telegram, and this is my Telegram chatbot. We have to enter our request. Here I entered Dhoni, and it will give news articles about Dhoni. Here I wanted to insert the image of Dhoni, so I write the command as insert space Dhoni space, and I copied image URL and enter. It gives message as Dhoni stored successfully, and after that I want to get that image. So I wrote command as get Dhoni image and it will give Dhoni image. If I enter any random data, then it gives no articles found. If I give only insert, then it will give please provide both key and value. Here we have to enter any kind of news article name, then it will give all news about our request. Here I giving get Avengers image and it will give the image of Avengers. And the data has to be stored in the collection. So open Firebase and Firestore database. These are my collections and my collection name is provided data. And these are documents and these are the fields. Here data stored successfully. And this is the entire code. And this is the process for creating Telegram bot using any API and Firestore database.